Hello everyone, welcome back. The second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper. Thursday, October the 15th, 2020. The second Sudoku I will do is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be a number 1758. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted a few seconds ago. This one has 24 printed digits. You can check if I'm correct. The 3-star Sudoku has always 25, the 4 stars 24. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes, so the 7 could be here or could be there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There 3, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3. Should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here also 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or there. We see here already a 6, so no 6 here. One box left for the 6, should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 6. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 1 are missing. I see the 3 and the 4 in this big square, so no 3 and the 4 in this box. So one digit left should be the 1. The 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 1, 7, and then 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 7, and a 9 are missing. 1, 7, and a 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 here. So in this box cannot be 7 and a 9. So one digit left should be the 1. The 7 and 9 goes in these two boxes. It's a pair, so I mark them for you. 7 and a 9. That means these 3 numbers should be the 1. The 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 5 here. So no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. So the 1 and the 8 are missing now. Let me mark them again because it's a pair within a big square. The other 3 numbers in this big square, the 4 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. So 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes here. 3 missing numbers now in the middle, a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, no, 6 we have. 5, 8, and 9. 5, 8, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. Let me do the 9 in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in the first column in one of those 2 boxes. A 9 in the third column. So in the column between, the only box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 8. Let me mark them for you because it's up here. Yes. Alright. Now, can I do something with the 4, the 8? 7, 7, 7. No. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And remember, we have marked those 2 boxes with the dot for the 9. Now we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information. Here also the 7. 4, 8, and 1. 4, 8. 5, 3. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. The 2 should be here. 2. 3 in this row, 3 in this a row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. First digit, the 3. Alright. 6. No. Need more information. 4 and 8. Yes. 5. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Cannot do anything now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, all right, all right. 1 and 8. 1, 8 and a 4. 4. Well. Not easy at all. 2, 2. 2, 4, 8. 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1. 4, 4. I need a 1. All right. This is not a lot of pairs here. I need to figure out where are the pairs. 7, 3, 8. 1, 8. How about a 5? No, I need more 5s. We have a pair here. 5 and a 6 in this column. 5 and a 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, only to place for the 6 and a 5. It's a pair. 6 and a 5. That means one digit left in this column. This should be the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. These two boxes are left for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a number 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. Then 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 6. 1, 6, 4. Alright. Now 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. 4, 2. 4, 2. 9 is missing. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 2, 9, and the 4. We see here the 2 and the 9. So in this box cannot be the 2 and the 9. This should be the 4. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. And then 7, 2, 5, 3. Well. The 6 is missing. 6. 1. 8. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in 8, we see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes there, and 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And 1 goes there, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row. The second row for the number 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 7. 2 missing numbers, the final numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Faster than the previous one. So you cannot tell less printed digits are more difficult. Well, it depends. It depends. If you have a lot of pairs, then it will be difficult. So it's not an indication of the difficulty level. Anyway, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, you can also subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.